In this video we will see how private variables work in Python. So I am going to make a class name person and object as the argument. So I am going to define a method init. Okay, init, and let's put self and name as the argument. Okay, so self dot name equals name. Okay, and let's define the private variable self dot, let's say, education equals engineering. Okay, so this is our private variable. So now I'm going to define another method name display, okay, info, self as the argument. Okay, name equals self dot name, and let's put education equals self dot education. Okay, so this can be accessed within the class. Okay, so I am going to print my name is, okay, let's put the name, and let's put here, and I have completed my, and let's put the education. Okay, education. So now let me make if statement. If name equals main, so my object equals person. So let me put the person name as Utara. Okay, now we will put my object dot display info. Okay, now I am going to print my object dot name. Okay, so you can see here my name is Utara and I have completed my engineering. So this can be accessed as it is a private variable. So let me put like this, and we'll get an error over here, object. Okay, let's put education. Okay, so this will throw an error. So you can see here it has no attribute education. Okay, so now I am going to print another way to access the private variable, but this is not recommended. Okay, let's say object dot person and education. Okay, education. Okay, so you can see this way we can access the private variable, but it is not recommended.